Find the equation of the function shown below. So we're going to begin with writing down what are the key features of this graph. And the key features here are given to us. I will highlight the key features. The key features are these 3 points. And then we have this point that's highlighted for us. When we look at the key features, the first root is x equals -2, and that is a bump, so it's called a double root or order 2. The second root that we have is x equals 0.5, but we're going to use it as a fraction, x equals 1/2. The third root is x equals 4, and we know that it passes through this point, and the point that it passes through is 1, 5. And we're going to use all this information to find the equation of our graph. We're going to begin with y equals a x plus 2 from the first root, and we're going to put a squared because it's a bump there. It's an order 2 or double root. The x equals 1/2 is going to give us 2x minus 1. And the x equals 4 is going to give us x minus 4. I'm now going to substitute the values x equals 1 and y equals 5 into this equation. All the x values will be replaced with a 1, and the y value will be replaced with a 5. I'm going to substitute those in first. Once I sub them in, I will then solve for a. We're going to have 5 equals a, open the brackets, plus 2 squared, 2 times the number, minus 1, and then number minus 4. I'm going to put a 1, 1, and 1. I'm now going to simplify the right-hand side of the equation. I will have 3 squared, 1, and -3. Continue to simplify. A times -27. Rewrite this as a multiplication because that's what it is, -27a. Going from this step to this step, that's the most common error that students have. Remember, it's multiplication. So I'm going to divide both sides by -27 now to isolate the variable. These two -27s reduce to 1, and I have a final a value of -5 over 27. That's my answer. Then I have to go back to my equation. Y equals the a, which I just calculated, -5 over 27. X plus 2 squared, 2x minus 1, and then x minus 4. That's the answer for the question, but we're not finished yet because what I am going to do is I'm going to use graphing technology, and the graphing technology app that I'm going to use is called Desmos. If you don't have that on your phone or on your iPad, download it. When I take a look here, I can verify that there are my roots, 1, 2, and 3, and here's my point. And this graph looks like the question above. Now that we have that, now we are finished, and
that was easy.